Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings and going straight to Appearance and Displays. This is where macOS controls light versus dark. Click Appearance and choose Light to remove dark mode immediately, and if auto is enabled, turn it off so your machine stays in light. Once done, make sure to check the Display section for Night Shift or True Tone. These can change perceived contrast even in light mode. You're now past the initial action and set a stable visual baseline. Next, you address residual dark appearance by opening Accessibility and selecting Display to disable any settings that invert or dim colors. This helps ensure system elements render in light properly. Then inspect app-specific themes. Some apps have independent dark toggles. Turn those to light or follow system. Once done, quit and restart each affected app so theme cache is clear, and make sure menu bar and dock settings reflect the system choice. This removes stubborn dark elements across software. To finalize, restart your Mac to ensure all processes adopt light mode. This clears transient state. If the system still reverts to dark, reset nvram/pram because stored preferences can conflict with new settings. Once done, check for macOS updates since theme-related bugs are sometimes fixed in patches, and make sure auto is off. If a single app keeps using dark, remove its preference file or reinstall that app. This usually resolves persistent theme mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.